Welcome back, my friend. Now I will tell you about logotournament.com. Now write logo tournament over here. Logo tournament. Okay, please write. Okay, this is it of the logo tournament. I will see contest over here. On the navigation contest, press. This is contest on the logo tournament. On the logo tournament, judge logo design contest and no other design. So you can focus for learning create logo design. This is minimum price on the logo tournament. I will see profile of designers. On the navigation right here, press designers. This is list of profile designers. Number 1 is Indonesia, number 2 Canada, number 3 Romania, number 4 and 5 is Indonesia. Logo tournament is a place to work that is very special for logo design. So many people participate in there. You can join as well, then participate on the logo tournament very soon. If you want to join on logo tournament, press sign up right here on the top. Press right. On this page, you can select I am logo designers. If you need logo design, you can select my business need a logo. Okay, you can walk in now. Good luck.